Welcome, welcome. Today is Wednesday. You do not have any lectures to do today. You just have an assignment, a reading, and some questions in a video. So we'll start off on our home page like normal. Here's our home page. When we're looking for what we need to do today, we go to modules. Under modules, we are on day 3. We have one assignment. It's labeled vaccines. Enjoy your day doing work from home. Here's what I expect from you today. You're going to read the following article about vaccines. It's a Google shared link. It comes up as a PDF, which is fine because all you need to do is read it. It's got some questions right here. So you're going to read this, and you're going to go back to the assignment, and we have some questions for you. So answer the following questions in a text box from Canvas. So you will just copy, and you will paste them into your submission box. If you go back and do it on Student View, it'll show you how to do it. So here we are on Student View. We go to Modules 3, Vaccines. Okay, I forgot it's locked, so we can't look at it right now, but you put the text box in. The text box will come up. You'll copy and paste. You'll answer these questions, and you'll click Submit. I have an additional help video for you that kind of goes through what a vaccine is and their effectiveness. Please watch that, especially if you're having trouble grasping what a vaccine is and why we use it. The short and skinny on vaccines are that they are dead or weakened viruses that scientists have taken, and they put them into your bloodstream. Your immune system, because it doesn't know that they're dead, or that it doesn't realize that they're dead, doesn't realize that they're weak, does its normal immune response, which is to send out the different cells, and then they eventually kill the virus or realize that it is killed. But those memory cells, the memory T and the memory B cells, still remain, so you can still produce antibodies for it. You have the antibodies in your blood system now because of the vaccine, and when the real virus comes and tries to infect you, your body is already prepared for it immune system-wise. It has a much greater chance of fighting it off quicker and more effectively because of this immune response, because of vaccines. So I hope this helped. Make sure you watch that video, please. It'll help you read the article and submit your answers. This is worth 14 points total. Have a great day, guys. Enjoy your Wednesday, and take some time today, because this shouldn't take you very long, to complete any missing work. I've started entering zeros into the grade book for missing work. If you submit it as of right now, I will grade it and give it back to you. You'll get credit. I'll undo the 0 and put it in a grade that you earned, but that is only if you've earned the grade. Until you decide to do the assignment, they will stay zeros. Have a good day, guys.